boxes. Boxes. More boxes. So our son's been asking for a kitchen toy for quite a while now, and he doesn't know when he was gonna get one, or if he was gonna get one at all. We pretty much finished setting it up. He's upstairs right now. He's with family, because of course we live in a basement, sadly. So we're gonna go upstairs, and we're gonna surprise him, and we'll see what kind of reaction we'll get out of it.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes, Nene.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Wow!
Whoa! What is that there? What do you got here?
Toy.
Kitchen toy. Wow.
It's this one, baby. This one.
Whoa! You like it? Hey. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at these buttons. Look at. Check this out. You see this? Look at. Whoa, time to cook. What are you gonna cook now? What are you gonna cook now? Huh? You gonna make some soup now?
Wait, I'll cook the fries.
You gonna make some fries?
Or wash it.
You gotta wash your hands, yeah. Wash. Okay. Uh-oh, we don't have any racks to dry your
What
hands,
are those?
Ooh.
Are those avocados?
Season the fries.
Ketchup.
Oh, you're gonna put ketchup? You gotta season the fries. Here, look it. What's this? Salt and pepper, right? There you go.
Yeah, you gotta pull it. Pull it hard.
Pull it hard.
A vegetable.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
What kind of vegetables you got in there? Show me. What do you have in there?
This way. Snuggles.
What do you got in there?
I just.
You're
You
gonna
got a
cut it?
cutting board?
Yeah. I cut the carrots.
You gonna cut the carrots?
Yeah, no more.
Right here.
Cut the carrots.
Hard, do it hard. There you go.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
I got it.
Levi.
Hey, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi.
See you next time.
Next time. You gonna say thank you? Say thank you. Beep, beep. Hey. Hey. You gonna say thank you? Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.